Hi everyone, let's begin to solve this math problem. First, we have to work this and 3 over 4 times 4. We can easily cancel this 4 and this 4. It equals 3 and 9 divided by 3. It equals 3. But this is not correct answer because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And according to this rule, first we have to work this, and here there is fraction and we have to use key CF rule. And key stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. And first we have to write keep 9 and change. We have to change division to multiplication, and we have to flip 3 over 4. When we flip it, 4 over 3 and multiply it by 4. And we can easily cancel this 9 as this 3. There is here 3 left, and 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. And 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12, and 12 multiplied by 4, it equals 48. This is our correct and final answer. We can copy this answer here. Answer is 48. This is our correct and final answer. Thank you.